Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with thetradersperspective.com, analyzing natural gas. And in front of you, I'm looking at the weekly time frame to get an idea of where we are and where we're heading. So, a few weeks back, I mentioned that it looked to be a potential head and shoulders pattern that was getting itself together, and it looks like I'm going to be right on my call. I did expect that price would kind of fall down and we needed to maintain this $3 area, but I'll zoom in on that in just a little bit. So, what's happening in the longer term picture of things? So, as far as where we're gonna bounce to, or at least retrace to, I should say, um, looking at minimum to the 61.8% retracement level. Let me drop down to the daily time frame, make it a little bit easier for you, and you can see you can see here that we stopped at around the 50% retracement level, which was a break below this 200 period simple moving average. And so I do have a sell signal confirmed here on my moving averages, and I do see a potential for a little bit of a bounce upwards, but I'll zoom in on the 4 hour and show you exactly where that would be. So, excuse me. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, you can see here that we do have this nice little downtrend here. And if I zoom out just a little bit, you can kind of get a rough idea of where you'd be looking at for, um, some sort of a bounce with some life in it at least. So that's the level to watch here. We're going to be looking for a break above 3.038, which corresponds with this downtrend line here. And also, we're going to need to get above this moving average here, which is around 3.04. So that also coincides with this candle setup here with this long wick and this little bounce that's taking place now. So I would say that natural gas is obviously going to try to bounce a little bit, but overall, I believe that in the grand scheme of things, we'll be heading further down to about the 61.8% retracement level, and potentially falling a little bit further to this uptrend line here. So just going back to the weekly time frame, you can kind of see here that this looks to be the new uptrend line here, and that's going to be the key whether we can maintain this trend line and bounce upwards or continue lower. So given that we've had overall very bearish inventory reports where there's high levels of natural gas right now storage wise. We need to see either the weather change up and the forecast to increase in temperature so that the natural gas demand will kind of come back a little bit and eat away at some of that inventory. But overall, we are flooded with natural gas right now. So definitely favored trend is going to be to the downside for now. And pay attention to, like I said, that 61.8% retracement level. And that's going to be around 2.88. So that's going to be a level to definitely target for right now as far as if you're short. Try to get in on this play. You're going to be looking for potentially taking some DJAZ near this trend line here. This is natural gas, keep in mind, so in order to get a more precise location for entry, I'm going to have to refer you to your DJAZ chart, and you're going to have to just look for the corresponding level for yourself. Otherwise, stop by the website, shoot me an email, contact me, and I'll be glad to help you out if you have any questions. So again, I'm looking for natural gas to kind of maybe bounce a little bit earlier, and then towards the middle of the week, I expect us to be drifting further back down to around 2.88. So this is natural gas analysis for you. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation by thetradersperspective.com. Thank you all so much for watching.